Just not what I wanted for you. Take off the hat, Francis. Your father won't be coming back.
Why? Why can't he come back?
I didn't say can't. I said won't. He's living in Kansas. Frank? I'm so sorry, Frank.
Got it.
Sure?
Yeah.
Have a good time.
See ya.
I can see she's very delicate, Mrs. Portner.
What if something should happen to her out here?
Nothing is going to happen to her.
If anything happens to her...
Nothing's going to happen to her.
If anything happens to her...
Phoebe, come and sit in Ray's office, and you can sit here.
Oh, thank you, my dear.
John, will you take Phoebe into Ray's office? Oh, hi, can I help you?
I'm Francis Phillips. I'm looking for a guy named Ray.
Francis? Oh, I thought you'd be a girl.
I know. I'm not. I'm supposed to help him?
Okay, he's in there. Just follow me. Francis? Frank. Do you have any pets?
Why, you want to buy a pigeon?
Where do you go to school?
Sort of between schools right now. So, what's your name?
Pia.
Pia. Nice name.
Ray, your new helper Francis is here. She's a boy.
Look, lady, I'm going to go over this one more time. We're keeping the bird because the owner was involved in the same accident as the bird. No gold band. Hold on, I'll check again. Hold on. I'll be with you in a second, kid. Definitely no gold band. Lady, listen, this parrot is one sick puppy. He can't even speak English, much less Latin. I am the supervisor. Now listen, this bird is not leaving here unless A, the owner gets well and comes and claims the bird, or B, the owner dies, in which case the bird goes up for adoption. Lady, you must be thinking about a different bird, huh? You are so welcome. He won't take it, kid. Something wrong with his guts. The vet says there isn't, but there is. Well, I'll be. Would you look at that?
Ray, we're ready for the Sharpay.
Hey, you know, you may make it to see another dawn.
Ray.
Kid, you got some touch.
Ray, we're waiting.
Yeah, I know. I'm ugly, but I'm not deaf. Hey, Francis, take the Sharpay. Walk him over to the clinic, will you?
Sharpay?
That is a Sharpay. Francis. Hey, you mind if I call you Frank? We're gonna get along fine. All right, I want you to take these dogs out and exercise them, you hear? Okay. Now watch. Don't let them tug on your leash too much, all right? And don't let them tug on you, you hear me? I want to hear some paws pounding the pavement.
Francis, what's that smell?
Breakfast. Have a seat. Eggs, just the way you like them. Sunny side up, crisp on the edges.
Perfect.
Ta-da.
Am I dreaming? Honey, are you sick?
No, I'm good. Here, eat. Don't want to start the day on an empty stomach.
Well, thank you, Francis. Oh,
No, I gotta go. I don't want to be late.
how's the dog walking going?
Oh, it's going great. Ray says I got the touch.
Yeah?
Hey, Mom.
What?
The person who cooks doesn't have to do the dishes.
I have been waiting for you.
Where's Ray?
They're not going to let me have my bird.
It's not your bird. There's no band.
How convenient for you.
I didn't take it.
Silence! If you think for 1 minute this juvenile game you're playing will deprive me of what's mine, you're very mistaken. Francis, just return the gold band, and they'll give me my bird.
The bird's really sick or something.
Well, Virgil will be all right. Just tell them that you took the band, and your problems with school, the judge, me, will all be behind you.
It's not your bird.
Yes, Mrs. Ryder, I really appreciate your concern, but I'm not...
Where's my parrot?
Excuse me, the parrot is with Ray in the vet.
What happened?
Ray tried to feed him a yam.
He choked.
He bit Ray. They're in the examining room. Hi, yes. No, I'm sorry, I can't give up.
Now, take it easy, easy, will you? Hi, Frank. Say hello to Miss Ursula Minsky, perhaps the best veterinarian it has ever been my pleasure to know.
Perhaps.
Hi.
Hello, Frank.
Easy.
Well, Ray, if you were an old dog, I might have to give you a few stitches, but since you're just an old goat...
Well, I'll tell you what. That bird nails me again. He's going to go to California.
Frank, don't let Ray lick that. And if he does or starts to get after himself, put one of these on him.
Hey, listen to me. You bite me once more, and this old bird dog is going to bite you back. You hear me?
I think you finally met your match, Ray.
Yeah, I think I have too. Here, listen, maybe he'll take it from you. Go ahead, try. Well, I'll be. You know what? You do have a touch.
You gonna make it?
Just keep feeding him. Keep Ray from biting him.
Will he ever be right?
He'll never fly.
How come?
Hard to say. Too old, wings clipped. Probably got taken from the wild too young. Never learned. It's hard to teach an old dog new tricks. But if I had my guess, I'd say somebody bit him.
Miss Van, Mr. Prentice is here.
Please, send him in. Mr. Prentice,
Sven Barnes?
please, sit down. Thank you for coming. You read my report?
I did.
As you know, I wouldn't dream of circumventing the system. But this ridiculous children's court judge is clearly incompetent. The Phillips boy is a thief, a truant, a liar, and if that weren't enough, a potential danger. You simply do not walk around pulling fire alarms, endangering students' lives, and then get away.